make me high and
I had to put on the shirt first so I could be on the show, wasn't it?
No, my brother
put on my
has
sexy shirt.
a camera hooked up to the television what is recording me right now. Baby, we're not going to look at your food and I'm hungry as shit. That is so against the law.
Stop cussing on the this is kitchen.
On the telly. Huh? That is so freaking horrible. I can't believe I'm about to eat my arm and your old hateful butt. They'll tell me they got onions, fresh chicken,
Hello, everybody.
pork chops that's 2 miles
Shut up.
thick.
I'm introducing this.
Barbecue sauce.
This is the Mamie and Mike show. This is Mamie.
That's me.
Now introduce me.
Oh, and this is Mikey.
Right now, Mamie's talking to her boyfriend, Jerome. Is that his name?
Oh my God. Jerome is on the phone, my baby. Hopefully
Put him on speaker.
This is not jinxing me.
Let's hear him.
Say hello for everyone. He said, let's hear him because my brother is recording us for what reason, I don't know. So you have to... You on camera?
Yeah. I'm on camera.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's up? I know y'all can't see me, but
Lucky them. Lucky them that they can't see you.
Now say something funny.
Huh?
Say something funny.
Something funny.
What?
Oh, shoot. That didn't work for you. Mikey, don't hurt me. Stop. Pain is not the answer. My brother said he wants me to say something funny. Ooh, tell the monkey joke. Tell the monkey joke.
Okay.
Tell the damn monkey joke.
So this lady is trying to get on a bus. And she's holding her baby. Her just newborn baby. So she goes to go on the bus. And the bus driver says, "Lady, that's the ugliest thing I've ever seen. It's an atrocity. That's an abomination." But she has to ride a bus, so she continues to get on. She goes towards the bed, and she's furious and fuming. And the man next to her can see that she's frustrated. So he politely asks her, "What's wrong, man?" She's like, "That bus driver up there just insulted me. I can't believe it. I should go tell him what I think." He's like, "Yeah, you should. I'll hold your monkey." I'll hold your monkey.
Oh my God.
She called you?
Oh my God. Oh my God, we're gonna get in so much trouble. Oh my God, I'm fleeing the country.
Mamie. Touch call you.
No shit. Mikey is freaking laughing loud like there's nobody else in the house. He told a dumb joke about a monkey.
Oh God.
He's recording. Baby, shut up. We're cleaning the damn house. Stop. Shut up. Shut up. Okay.
I need batteries. My batteries
This is what happened. So you paid the lady for the stuff, right? You picked up the bags in one hand, and you went to turn around and grab Zion's hand, and she was gone.
Made me tell a story about how he lost her baby.
Baby, she was gone. She had ran away from you. She had just left you. She was like gone. She disappeared. She's like a... What you mean get their attention? You had her attention up until you let go of her hand, then she seen something shiny and she must have ran off the middle of the store, and she had on a big old fluffy coat.
This is Obama.
She weren't small,
This
small.
is
She could walk. Whatever it was, she ran that day. She was fast, away from you. And you was like going to the store, you was calling her. And you was panicking and whatever. Then you called me. You like, baby. You ain't gonna. You didn't pick her up that day. I guess you thought she was so.